a double candlestick pattern, we have a pattern which is called as piercing line, which is exactly like opposite to dark cloud cover. So when I say like it is opposite to dark cloud cover, this is like a kind of a piercing line pattern, which we see normally in a downtrend market. So let's say suppose if the market is going down, 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 and if market is going down and suddenly like from the bottom there is a reversal. So market is going down, it opens like again, it opens a gap down. By the end of the day, it goes up, and not only it goes up, but it crosses the previous day red line. So it crosses the previous day red line more than 50%. So previous day red candle is crossed by the green candle more than 50% of the formation of the previous red candle. Whenever you see such type of a pattern, it is always bullish, and it is strongly bullish. Irrespective of how many stocks you tell me, I can tell you with like confirmation that this pattern is highly effective pattern. I have traded personally on this pattern a lot. Piercing line is like one of the most effective patterns that you can come across in candlesticks. And especially like if you are looking at a candlestick pattern, and in case like if you try to identify, like I'll show you live pattern. So for example, let's say I have this gold chart open right in front of me. And even if I look at this gold chart, will piercing line work? Will it like, for example, if somebody takes a trade on piercing line, will it actually give you money? The answer is yes. Look at this at the bottom. A piercing line pattern, and then a beautiful pattern. Again, what we have seen, a beautiful rally on gold. I'll show you like more patterns like which are getting formed. And the beauty of this is like most of these patterns, all the patterns which I'm showing you, all these are actually on a daily chart. So when on a daily chart, if you see such type of a reversal getting formed, most of those reversals are pretty strong reversals that we see. See again here, a beautiful reversal which happened on gold. Somebody says, sir, let's say suppose we are trading USD INR. Will it work? The answer is yes, it will work. So suppose if you are looking to trade USD INR, will the pattern work? Will you be able to make money? The answer is yes. Like if you see this pattern, beautiful pattern again. And if you look at over here again, the rally happened. It is not like more than 50%. Again, a beautiful rally on USD INR. Suppose somebody said, sir, let's say suppose if I'm looking to track any other commodity, let's say suppose silver, for example, will it work on silver? My answer is yes. So even if you're tracking silver, look at this beautiful pattern on silver. From 58,000, 59,000, silver went all the way up to 66,600. So will it work? The answer is yes. Somebody said, sir, check Reliance. Will it work on Reliance? The answer is yes, it will work on Reliance. Like, for example, if you look at this pattern on Reliance, I'll show you on Reliance as well, so that you can verify and you can check. Like, see on the top, a beautiful dark cloud cover, it went down, and then I'll show you the reversal pattern as well on Reliance Industries, a blue chip stock which has a lot of liquidity and like traded regularly with a lot of liquidity every day. So Reliance Industries is one of the top stocks that we see. Look at this, a beautiful pattern, a beautiful rally. Sir, will it work on a stock like Maruti? So these are questions that people come across. Like it's like time and again people keep asking me such questions. Now see this beautiful pattern, exactly what we want to see. And see, look at this, open down, by the end of the day covered 50% of the previous candle, and then look at the strong rally which happened on Maruti. That these are things that we have to focus on. Again, from the bottom here, beautiful rally. So before this rally came, it's a kind of inverted hammer at the bottom, and then it's also a kind of a candlestick pattern which is also giving you a kind of a piercing line setup. So it is a beautiful rally. Next day we saw Maruti 7% up, and then followed up rally another 2.79% up. So these are things that we have to like focus on. We have to understand that if you look at the right pattern, if you look at like in terms of the right structure, I think that is something which is very productive for us. That is something that we should be looking at, and we should be looking to identify that understand that this is the pattern, and this pattern will help you. So whether this, or if you're looking at the reversal also. So a dark cloud cover that we talked about, look at this beautiful dark cloud cover. Top, never reach the top, beautiful downside after that. So identifying, checking the pattern, I think that is something which you as a trader, that will definitely help you. Plus, like, it will help you to understand that yes, like what is happening as far as the broader markets are concerned. Somebody like asked regarding the Quest Corp. So I think like irrespective of what stock you pick, irrespective of like what you see, I think the chart structure, the pattern is very, very clear. And even if you look at like somebody has asked regarding the Quest Corp, I think it's very, very clear. Look at this beautiful piercing line, beautiful rally happened. A top dark cloud cover, downfall happened. So understand the pattern, trade the pattern well, understand like how the market is behaving, and you will find that your trading success will go to the next level. And I think like as a trader, we all want to have that. As a trader, we all want to understand like how best we can trade, how best we can identify the patterns, and how we should be looking to trade better. I think this is something which is very, very important.